Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to share your Google Calendar with your other person or your friend or your team members, then this video is for you. So first thing, here you can see I'm on my calendar and there is lots of tasks here. Now you can do, let me show you from the very scratch. So first you can do is simply click on this plus icon here to create a new calendar. So here you can see all the calendars is added, so you can turn off the task for the calendar here, also task on for this calendar by this check boxes. Now I'm going to create a new one, so simply click on it and you can do is you can find the create new calendar. So I'm going to simply click on it where we can name this calendar. So I'm going to name it like YouTube team, and for content scheduling, sorry for that. So I have just added it. Now from here you can select the time zone you want. Then here is the owner, that's my mail here. Now simply click on create calendar. Now it will just create the calendar so that you can see that calendar creation in progress. So here you can see it has just added. Now when it has added, you can simply go back and you can find the calendar here. So if I just turn off all the calendar from this sheet, all the tasks, you can find the YouTube team. Here it is. So this calendar here. Now you can add a task if you want. So you can click on any date tile here. Now you can add anything like publish content, for example this, and we can add the time here. So you can add the time like this time, for example we are going to select a random time from here, like this to this, and like this to this, and here you can find all day. Here you can select all day, or you can set the day and the date from true. This is from and this is true. So we are going to select this one here, sorry for that, not this actually. So this is for July 15th, so I'm going to select this July 16th, and here you can add guests here. That if you add guests, that means they can only view your calendar but they won't be able to interact with your calendar. So you can add a guest here, and also you can add this calendar to your Google Meet for video conferencing, and you can add some location if you want. So and you can add some description for your team that you want to leave as an instruction from here. Now here you can see we have just added. Simply click on save. So we have just add some from here. Now here if you want to select that, set that, or you have set all the tasks and schedule all the tasks for all day here, all the date here. Now you want to share this scheduling with your team members or other persons, then simply click on this three dot button here. You can change the color of this here from here, just like this. Now from here you can find this is the hide from list. That means if you click on it, it will hide from this list here. Now here is the settings and sharing. Simply click on settings and sharing. Here is all the details that you can change also, and you can scroll down and here you can find shared with, and simply click on plus add people and groups. So simply click on it, and from here you will be able to add some mail from here. Like I'm going to add a mail from here, like this mail here, and you can set the permission like see all event details, see only free or busy hide details, or make changes to events. If you want that recipient can make change to all the events and tasks on the calendars, or they can also manage the sharing, then you can select this one. Or you want them to only manage the events, then you can go with this. Or you want to want them or the team members them to only see the tasks that you have added, but they can't actually edit or delete this task, then you can select this and simply click on send, and a mail will be sent to this Gmail. Then you can do is you have to tell them to go their mailbox, and they have to accept the invitation. Also you can find this way here. So that's how you can just actually do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.